Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to Accountancy 2nd PUC online classes. In the previous class we have explained about the theory, the procedure, how to do, that is how to solve the problem on admission of a partner. In today's class, again I have explained the meaning of benefit ratio or gain ratio, and I told you the formula to calculate gain ratio. In today's class I will take up 6 marks problem which may be asked in board exam. Remember friends, this year they may reduce the syllabus or they may keep it as it is, we don't know, totally depends upon the board and they will give the decision. Whatever it is, if they reduce the syllabus, from this also, from retirement also you may get one 12 marks problem. One from admission, one from retirement, 12 marks problems may be asked. But if the syllabus is not reduced, then you will get at least one 6 marks problem or 12 marks problem from retirement. So that I already told you in my previous class while taking up the admission, wasn't it? Now let us move on to the problem of 6 marks, page number 50, open it of your question bank, section C, 6 marks problems. I will read out the problem and then let us solve the problem. Ankit, Suchit and Chandru are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. So 4/9, 3/9 and 2/9 were their old ratio, remember. Then Ankit retires from the firm. Suchit and Chandru agreed to share in the ratio of 5:3 in future. That means 5:3 is the new profit sharing ratio of Suchit and Chandru. Ankit retires, the partner goes out of the firm, isn't it? So new ratio will be 5/8 and 3/8 among Suchit and Chandru. They asked us to calculate gain ratio of Suchit and Chandru. So remember, whenever they ask something, take that as the first part and then derive the formula. They told us to calculate gain ratio of Suchit and Chandru, so take gain ratio first is equal to, then derive the formula. So let me solve this problem. Write calculation of gain ratio. Calculation of gain ratio. Write this as the heading at the top. In board exam also you must write this, calculation of gain ratio. Then write given, because you need not have to refer problem again and again. If you write this while reading the problem itself, if you write like this, then while solving the problem need not have to refer the problem again and again. Question paper. So that is Ankit, Suchit and Chandru, old ratio that is given in the problem 4:3:2. Write it. 4:3:2. New ratio also given in the problem, Ankit dash, because he goes out, retires, dash. New ratio Suchit is 5/8 and Chandru is 3/8. 5:3 they gave, so 5/8:3/8. Write this. Now derive the formula. Gain ratio, within bracket write GR, gain ratio GR is equal to new ratio within bracket NR, new ratio within bracket NR minus old ratio within bracket OR. You know very well that new ratio is bigger than the old ratio in case of retirement, because when a partner goes out, his share will be acquired by the continuing partner, so their share will become bigger than their old ratio. Like your neighbor goes somewhere, isn't it? You will get their the land property, you can encroach or you can acquire some part, that is gain because of the departure of that neighbor, isn't it? Yes, people used to do that. Now, let us move on. Therefore, gain ratio of Suchit is equal to his new ratio minus his old ratio. His new ratio minus his old ratio. So, write it. 5 by 8, new ratio is 5 by 8 minus old ratio was 3 by 9. 3 by 9 is equal to, take common denominator, 8 9s are 72, multiply and write the denominator, common denominator, because it's minus. You cannot straight away multiply and write the denominators and numerators. Remember, 72. So, cross multiplication, 5 9s are and 8 9s are and 9 8s are. So, multiply the numerator also by 9 and 8 is equal to, simplify it, 21 by 72. That is what the answer is. That is, gain ratio of Suchit is equal to 21 by 72. Now, let me move on to the next partner. Therefore, gain ratio of Chandru is equal to his new ratio minus his old ratio. Write the formula, is equal to 3 by 8 minus 2 by 9, 3 by 8 new ratio minus 2 by 9 old ratio is equal to, take common denominator, multiply the denominators and write it as a common denominator, 8 9s are 72, then cross multiplication, so 3 9s are 27 minus 8 2s are 16, 27 minus 16 is equal to 11 by 72, 11 by 72. So, you got the answer, but you have to write one more sentence, that is final answer you must write. Therefore, gain ratio of Suchit and Chandru is equal to, gain ratio of Suchit and Chandru is equal to 21 by 72 is to 11 by 72. 21 by 72 is to 11 by 72. Keep it as it is. In your answer, gain ratio is given as 21 is to 11. Don't reduce it to whole number, because if you write it as 21 is to 11, then it will be 21 by 32 and 11 by 32. That is not your answer, remember. So, gain ratio and sacrifice ratio, don't reduce it to common number, whole number, isn't it? Write it in fraction only, and write a sentence if you need within bracket. It should not be reduced to whole number, because if you write it as 21 is to 11, it will become 21 by 32 is to 11 by 32. So, it is kept in fraction form. Write a sentence, no evaluator can deduct marks for that, remember, because sometimes they will receive the key answer. So, make sure that you know the concept. Student is very well aware of the concept. So, no chance for the evaluator to deduct marks. Clear? Yes. So, first problem is solved. Very simple. Now, second problem. Let me move on to the second one. Page number 51. Problem number 2. I will read out the problem and let us analyze and solve the problem. Vani, Rani and Soni are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. This is the given information. Old ratio is given. Soni retires from the firm. Vani and Rani agreed to share equally in future. This is the new ratio. Equally in future. What do you mean by equally? 1:1. Simple, very simple, friends. 1:1 or 1/2 is to 1/2. So, don't get confused. A new ratio is not given. Don't think in that way. Read it properly. Try to understand. Equally means what? 1:1. So, 1/2, 1/2. That is their new ratio. Very simple. So, let us solve the problem. So, you have to write this sentence. Calculation of gain ratio. That is a must. Write that sentence. I will not write. I will write given. Given. Who are the partners? Vani, Rani and Soni, right? Old ratio. Vani, Rani and Soni. Soni. Right here. Old ratio given in the problem, that is 4:3:2. 3:2. New ratio is given. New ratio is given. Who is retiring? Soni is retiring. The third partner is retiring. So dash third partner. First and second partner, they agreed to share equally, right? So 1/2 and 1/2. Very simple. This is the given information. Write like this so that you need not to refer the question paper again and again. Sometimes it happens in an urgency. You read the problem, you understood, you will start solving the problem. You may take up the other figure from some other problem. So your entire solution will be collapsed. Remember. So now write the formula. Gain ratio is equal to, assign the short form, is equal to new ratio minus NR minus OR, right? Old ratio, that is OR, old ratio. Therefore, now you can use short form. Gain ratio is equal to gain ratio of Vani is equal to her old ratio, her new ratio minus her old ratio. Her old ratio is equal to, new ratio is 1/2 minus old ratio of Vani was 4 plus 3 plus 2, how much? 9. So 4/9, correct? 4/9. Take common denominator 18. Then cross multiplication, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1/18. 1/18. We got the new ratio, that is gain ratio of Vani. Now moving on to the next part, it is therefore GR of Rani is equal to her old ratio, her new ratio minus her old ratio. Her new ratio minus her old ratio, right? Yes. Is equal to her new ratio 1/2 minus old ratio was 3/9. 3/9 is equal to, take 18 as the common denominator, multiply the denominators together and cross multiplication into 9 into 2. 2 9s are 9 1s are, 9 2s are 18, right? So 9 minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 3/18. 3/18. Now write the final answer. Final answer, that is therefore gain ratio of Vani and Rani is equal to 1/18 is to 3/18. 1/18 is to 3/18. So this is how you have to solve a problem on, that is gain ratio calculation. Right? Yes. Now let me move on to the next problem. There are 4 partners here. A, B, C and D are partners. A, B, C and D are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1:2:1. So, if you add it together, 2/6, 1/6, 2/6 and 1/6 is their ratio, right? Yes, it is. On A's retirement, that means A got retirement, continuing partners, that is B, C and D, isn't it, decided to share future profits equally. Again see, 3 partners are there, 1:1:1, very simple friends. Don't take it as equally means half, no, not like that. 3 partners are there, so 1:1:1 means 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3 is their new ratio, very simple. So to solve the problem, write first sentence, calculation of gain ratio. Calculation of gain ratio. Then write given. What is given? That is, who are the partners? A, B, C and D, right? So A, B, C and D. Right here their old ratio given in the problem, 2:1:2:1, 2:1:2:1. So 2/6, 1/6, 2/6 and 1/6, very simple. Put is 2. New ratios are given in the problem. NR 1:, who is retiring? Mr. A is going out, right? Yes, A's retirement, on A's retirement. So A is retiring partner dash, then 1:1:1 or 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. 1/3 is 2. Now apply your formula, you know it very well. I will take short forms, but don't write short forms in your notebook. Write in full. Gain ratio is equal to GR is equal to NR minus OR. Assign within bracket short forms, then you can use short forms, no problem. Gain ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Therefore, gain ratio of B is equal to, A is retiring, so B is equal to, GR of B is equal to his new ratio minus his old ratio is equal to, don't skip the steps. If you skip the steps, they will skip the marks, remember. 6 will be reduced to 5 or maybe 4, remember. Is equal to his new ratio, how much? 1/3 minus old ratio was 1/6, correct? So right here, 6, take 6 as the common denominator, divisible by both the numbers. So 3 2s are 6, multiply the numerator, 6 1s are 6. So 2 minus 1 is equal to, I will write here itself, but you don't write here, write in the next step, remember. Don't write continuously like this. Vertically, you have to solve it vertically, remember, is equal to 1/6. 1/6 is the gain ratio. Likewise, calculate for GR of C is equal to his old new ratio minus his old ratio. If you are not comfortable with his, you can write her. Don't feel bad, girls. So his new ratio minus his old ratio, because name is given as ABCD, isn't it? So anything, maybe girl or boy, don't know. So is equal to 1/3 minus 2/6 is equal to take 6 as the common denominator, 3 2s are 6, multiply the numerator by 2, 2 minus 6 1s are 6, right? 2 minus 2 is equal to how much? 0. Is equal to 0. What is the meaning then? the gain ratio of C is 0. C didn't gain anything. His old ratio remained as it is even after the retirement of Mr. A. He didn't get a share from the retired partner. Remember this. So only B and D. Let us calculate D. What is the status of D? Let us see. Therefore, GR of D is equal to his new ratio minus his old ratio is equal to new ratio 1 by 3 minus old ratio was 1 by 6 is equal to, I will write here itself, but you just write below that. So 6, common denominator, 3 2s are 6, right? So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 6, 1 by 6. So here it is very clear, only B and D gained and C didn't gain anything. So write final answer. Therefore gain ratio of B is to C is to D, B is to C is to D is equal to 1 by 6 is to 0 is to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is to 0 is to 1 by 6. 1 by 6. And write one sentence again. C didn't gain anything. C didn't gain anything from the share of, A. From the share of A. Yes, that's all. So the third problem, 4 partners are there. Chances are very less. They will take only 3 partners, but can't say if the same problem appears. You have to solve it, isn't it? No option for you. You must solve it. Otherwise, you have to go for the option. So assignment problem. Take assignment. You just solve this third problem itself. Third problem, A, B, C and D. Solve this problem and submit it on time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.